If you're interested in taking a Pilates teacher training program, whether for personal enrichment or you're wanting to become a Pilates teacher, I wanted to invite you to the upcoming workshop I'm teaching, 5 must-knows before you choose your Pilates teacher training program. This is information I wish I would have known back when I took my teacher training program in 2003. When I began the Pilates method, I had no intention of being a Pilates teacher. I was going to school for health education. I enjoyed working out, and I enjoyed the Pilates class I began taking, and I started taking different types of Pilates classes and getting more information about Pilates. My primary Pilates teacher really encouraged me to look into a Pilates teacher training course. And without that encouragement, I honestly don't know if I would be here today. And I want to offer you my encouragement, whether you want to deepen your own personal Pilates practice, or you have been thinking about being a Pilates teacher, but you're just not quite sure, you're not perfect at the exercises yet. I want you to know that's why we have a teacher training program. Not to be perfect, but it's really to understand the exercises at a deeper level, to offer different variations so they're suitable for you and for the people who you teach as well. And really, every Pilates teacher, most of us anyways, had doubts about whether we should actually do this or not. But we had someone encouraging us, saying that we could do this. So you can be a Pilates teacher. And when you're looking into different programs, there's so many different types, and it's a big investment, time, money, and also energy. And you really do want to find a program that's in alignment with what is most optimal for you. So that's what we're going to be covering in the upcoming workshop. We're primarily going to be focusing on Pilates mat programs because there's some changes that are currently taking place. Though this would also be beneficial if you're looking into a more comprehensive certification that includes Reformer or Cadillac or the bigger pieces of Pilates equipment. But one of the aspects that's so beneficial about teaching Pilates mat is it's so versatile. From working in a Pilates studio to a rec center, gym, university, virtual, the long list goes on of where you can teach. And we know that the Pilates mat work has really evolved since Joseph Pilates outlined his classic 34 exercises. There's Pilates mat classes with equipment and without, different styles and levels, and we can offer really a diverse experience. So to join me for the upcoming workshop, all that you need to do is sign up using the link in the first comment. Join me live if you can. And if you can't join me live, no problem. I'll send you the replay as long as you sign up. As always, I hope that you have a beautiful day and can join me for the workshop soon.